Hello students, this is John Guerin, your personal branding teacher. I am going to show you how to get started with the album cover project for the LifeTracks. So to get started, you need to go to the personal branding resources folder. You need to scroll down to the L's under the LifeTracks. There are several files there. The first file is the project overview. It explains everything that needs to be done and outputs that are expected. To work with a template, the next several files are templates. You don't have to do all of them, you have to choose one type. If you want to work with Microsoft Word, you download the W file for the LifeTracks album cover template. If you want to work with Google Slides, you will make a copy of this file. If you want to work with PowerPoint, you will download this file. If you want to work with Google Drawing, you'll need to download possibly these two files. If your output's expected is a 2-page template, front and back will be the one you need to do. If it's a 4-page template, you'll need to download both the front and back and inside pages. So what do we have to do? If you're going to do the Word, you click on it and you hit More, Download. And that downloads to wherever you have your downloads folder set on your computer. If you're going to do the PowerPoint file, you do the same. You check it and you say Download. Again, it goes wherever your downloads are on your computer. If you're going to use either of the Google Docs, you don't download, you make copies. And how do we do that? We click on the checkbox in front of the file you want to use, and you click on More, Make a Copy. Now, because you're in the Personal Branding Resources folder, you don't have write permission to this, you only have view permission to this. So the file that you have just made a copy of shows up in your My Drive. You go to your My Drive, and there's the copy of the file right there. You simply take it and then you drag it into your personal branding folder for this class. Alright, so that's step one. Step two, if you do the other one, if you do the drawing template files in Google Drive, you choose the ones that you need. If you have the 2-page project, you do front and back. If you have the 4-page project, you do front and back and inside pages 2 and 3. Then you do the same thing. You say More, Make a Copy, and again, because you don't have write permission to this, it goes over to your My Drive. You go to your My Drive, and you select the files, and you then simply put them into your personal branding folder for this class. That's how you get started. Watch the next video to actually see how to work with the ones that you've chosen.